Hello 7th standard. Today we are going to do the first poem of your textbook, Where the Mind is Without Fear. Where the Mind is Without Fear is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Now before I move towards the poem, let me just tell you something about the poet. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Bengali poet who was born in Kolkata in 1861. He wrote our national anthem, right? I hope you know that, right? Rabindranath Tagore wrote our national anthem. Tagore started writing poetries and his first poem was published when he was only 16 years old. When he was only 16 years old, his first poem was published. He also won a Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913, right? Now, when he's writing this poem, Where the Mind is Without Fear, he's here basically praying to God, right? He's striving for a place. He wants to live on the earth. He wants that there should be a place where a human being can live without fear, right? Because at that time हमें सिर्फ independence जो है वो मिला था, right? Or before independence we had lived the life of a slave. So now here he is praying to God and he is asking God to give human being a place where a man can live without fear, right? So first I'll just tell you the summary. Where the mind is without fear, here in this poem, the poet Rabindranath Tagore is striving for the place where the human being can live with self-respect, where the man's mind is fearless. Fearless matlab without any fear, right? Where knowledge is free for all, where there are no barriers of language, gender, religion, caste, and the world is united, not divided into sections of society, right? Here the poet, what he's asking God, and he's striving for the place where the human being can live with self-respect and where the mind of a man, right? Man's mind is fearless, without any fear. Human being can live without any fear. And where knowledge is free for all. But there should not be only knowledge, only few students or few children can get knowledge. No, knowledge should be free for everyone who wants to seek knowledge. Then he's also asking that the society should be where there should be no barriers. कोई language का discrimination नहीं, कोई gender का discrimination नहीं, कोई religion, caste का discrimination नहीं, and the whole world should be united. And there should not be any division or sections in the society, right? See, in the first stanza, he's saying this, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Head is held high, matlab a man should live with self-dignity, with self-respect. And the mind should be fearless. Man's mind should be fearless. Where knowledge is free for all. There should not be that only few people can get knowledge. No, knowledge should be free for all. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Ab here he is saying that where the world should not be divided into any section of society, right? The world should be united. Any section of society means he's talking about, as I told you right now, that there should not be any barrier. There should be no barriers of language, gender, religion, caste, and the world should be united. Then in the next stanza, he says, where words come out from the depth of the truth, where tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection. Here the Rabindranath Tagore, he's searching for the place and he's saying that there should be a place where truth prevails. Sirf sach ho wahan par. He wants the world, he's praying to God that there should be a place, the world should be such a place, सिर्फ वहां पर सच हो, right? truth यानी सच, truth prevails, और truth rules, सच जो है वो जीतता हो. There should not be any lies, वहां पर झूठ ना हो, right? That means in the world there should be only truth and no lies should prevail. Then it is said, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. Here he's saying where people, जो लोग हैं, where people work to achieve perfection, where only fair things are carried out. He's saying, and he's striving for a place where people, they work towards perfection of life, right? And that perfection also with truth. सच्चाई के रास्ते पर चलकर perfection मिलना. He is wanting that there should be a place like this, right? The poet wants to search for a place where mind gets exposure and scope to widen and broaden their thoughts. अब ये next में बोल रहे हैं, he says that where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into a dairy desert sand and dead habit. Here he's saying that where people work to achieve perfection, where only fair things, सही things होनी चाहिए, truth जो है वो prevail होना चाहिए, and fair things are carried out. The poet wants to search for a place where man's mind, human being का जो mind है, उसको exposure मिले, उसको scope मिले, to widen and broaden their thoughts, right? Where the mind should get exposure and scope to widen and broaden their thoughts. Then he says, in where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. So here he's saying that कि जो मैन का माइंड है, देयर शुड बी परफेक्शन की ओर, जो अभी मैंने बताया वो तो है ही, लेकिन उनके डेरी डेजर्ट सैंड और डेड हैबिट से नहीं होना चाहिए. मतलब कि man should be perfect, man should get exposure, men should get scope, right, to do everything. There should not be narrow things. There should be broadness. There should be broadness of their thoughts. Then he says, last line he says, then he says, where shall he find the place like this? Which means heaven of freedom. I'm saying, where will I find a place like this? Which place? Where there will be freedom, right? Where the mind will be, men's mind will be without fear, right? Where there will be no barriers of religion, language, caste, right? Gender, right? Where the freedom will be for everyone, where there will be unity. The society will not be divided into many fragments, right? Where the mind of a man can think of many things, where the mind of a man can be broadened. A man's mind can be given exposure, scope जहां मिलता हो, जहां पर उसके थॉट्स जो है वाइडन होते हो, ब्रॉड होते हो. ये सारी चीजें वो बोलते हैं मुझे कौन सी प्लेस पर मिलेगी. वेयर विल आई फाइंड, राइट? देन ही सेज, वेयर शैल आई फाइंड द प्लेस लाइक दिस विच इज हेवन ऑफ फ्रीडम. वो प्लेस कौन सी है? हेवन, बट हेवन ऑफ फ्रीडम. हमने देखा ना सारे स्टैंजा में, he is asking God for freedom, freedom of all kinds. He has divided and he has told us about the freedom of all kinds, of truth, of exposure, of broadening the mind, no barriers of any caste, color, creed, religion, language, right? And talks about the truthfulness, right? So he's asking for all the freedoms. So he says that where can I find the place, a heaven of freedom? And then he says, he prays to God to bless his country. Bless his country यानी कौन सी? Poet's country. ठीक है? Then he's saying, oh God, bless my country to awake to such a world. Means he prays to God to make his country where the mind finds freedom and mind of a man is without fear. Right? Then in the last two lines, he's praying to God and he's asking God that, oh God, give freedom. Oh God, give freedom to my country where the man's mind can awake to such a world, right? Where a mind of a man can awake to such a world where everybody is equal and no man lives in fear. Every man lives without fear, and where the head is held high. Head is held high means where the head is held with self-dignity, self-respect, and there should not be any mind with fear, right? This is the prayer of Rabindranath Tagore to God.